Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I did a quick experiment using two tablets as an extended monitor for this laptop. So this is basically an iPad tablet and this is another iPad tablet that I have here, and they are connected to this laptop right here as a monitor. As you can see, there are no cables that are connected to them. They are running wirelessly as long as they're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So I'll just give you a sample here. I'm just going to open this one browser that I have here, and I can just go ahead and drag it to this other tablet here. This tablet is working as a monitor. So I can also go to the other side here and drag it there, and it's working perfectly. So jump in guys, and I'm going to show you how you can do this one quick and easy. Okay, so we jump into my computer. I'll record my screen so that you can see everything I can set up with the computer. After we set up this computer, we jump into each tablet to connect successfully. First up guys, we need to download a tool called spacedesk.net. I'll place the link in the description below. Let's go for the driver available for Windows 10, Windows 11 that is shown up here. Now, the other versions are for other devices. Alright, once you click that one, it will direct you to this page. We still go for this Windows 10, Windows 11 64-bit. If you want to read more about the Space Desk, feel free to visit their website and read more about them. Okay, so that will be a quick download. I'll just go ahead and click that one when it's done so that we can start installing this software. So it's just simple and easy. Just go ahead and accept this one, go for next, install, and then wait for this one to install. Then when it's done, you should be having that one installed in your system already. So we're done. We gotta click that finish button. Then if you don't have a shortcut to your app, you just go to your search and type in Space Desk. It should appear there. You can see Space Desk driver console. It's going to open up, and we'll try to see what else do we have here. So here's the console. You can see my network adapter here, which is basically connected to the Wi-Fi, right? So you can also do like USB cable for this one, but we already have Wi-Fi. We don't need cables. And this is the toggle on off button if you want to turn off the Space Desk. So you can see there. So I'll select that network driver 10.0.0.1, and you can see here is Space Desk driver T Pro laptop. This is already done. We can go to the first tablet and install the other app so that it can connect to this PC. Grab my tablet right here, go for App Store, and type in Space Desk. Once you press that one, you can see Space Desk up there. Just go ahead and press that Get button. Of course, that's the way we install this one. Once it's installed, you'll see a shortcut on that app. Just press that one, and basically this will detect which is connected to your Wi-Fi, who is running a display. And we know that our laptop is already active right there. T Pro laptop Windows 11, and that is the IP address. So the only thing we can do here is just connect. That's how simple it is. Then it should be connected. Now at this point in time, this is already working as a second monitor for my laptop. By default, this is already set to duplicate. That's why everything that is being shown in my main laptop is being shown into my tablet out there. See, whatever I'm doing here, it's being duplicated. So we can change the setting here if we want. I'll just go ahead and right click, go for display settings, then check this duplicate setting. I'll change that one to extended. So that will be extended. As you can see, it changed. I'm going to apply that. And by this time, I can drag my screen to the other side. So it's going from left to right. I'm just going to exchange them. Then there you go. So it should go across. There you go, guys. Okay, you can see two screens being detected here. The first one is the bigger one is my screen, and the second one is the tablet. Let's jump into the next tablet so that we can add it, and let's try to see what will happen. Grab my second tablet right here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and install this one. Once it's installed, we can open it. Then you can see that it automatically detected the T Pro laptop as well, because it is being the main server, which is the one we're connecting to. Then we can just go ahead and allow that one for now. Unable to. Okay, again, let's do it again. Okay, there you go, guys. So we have two tablets connected already. Let's just fix my screen right here. Let's go ahead and try to drag. Okay, good. And it's going to the other side. Let's just do more test here. As you can see, that's the tablet. You can still use that touch screen even though it is extended as a monitor. And you try to see if it's lagging. For me, it's not. It is responding quick. And even with the other side, let's try to see that one. I'll just drag this screen. There you go. You can see it's responding fast enough. Just close that. I think the test is good enough for you to see that this works well. All right? So there are some use cases that you're going to need this one for. Maybe for me, it's for fun. It's just like discovering things. For others, it's going to be useful because you can have multiple display, not only needing a monitor. I don't know who carries a monitor with them. The thing is, we carry tablets because it's portable and there are things we do with it. But the intention is not to use it as a monitor, but sometimes it's with you so you can use it as a monitor. There you go, guys. I've shown you how to set up two tablets, and you can add more. Some people might experience a sluggish kind of movement from one tablet to the screen, but I'm going to tell you, for me, I'm not experiencing because I'm using a 5G Wi-Fi wireless access, so it's fast to cross. Maybe if you're on a 2.4 gigahertz, you might have some issues with it. And at the same time, troubleshooting this one, when you run the software, as I have shown you earlier, it should pop right away that it's going to detect that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So anything that is running spacedesk, it can show up there and you can add them as your monitor. So I hope you have learned something from this video, guys. If you have any questions, just drop a comment down below and I hope I can answer them. So see you in my next video, guys.